guests are is hi guys, I'm Wilson Bandila. Actor and a businessman. Because I'm in the magazine, radio, I'm Bernicia Ross. Wait.
Lagay mo sa IE ako. Cut.
Okay, we're back. Another guest is Sir Boy. Sir Boy. Another one is
I love that!
Last concert, Amicia, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
Hey guys, I'm Tara Honor.
Aww.
I don't have a chair. Welcome to the show, guys.
Tago humanap ng
Guys, let's start the talk show. So, what's your reason for pursuing your career and your inspiration for being in your position right now, guys? Can you say about your profession?
I'm actually vice mayor right now in Bataan, and it's hard because it's hard to pursue my career. Yes, I am.
But you won a vice.
Yeah. Thank you. And I was so thankful to my my supporters in Bataan.
Hey, Care. Hey, Mommy Care.
My best friend.
Mama, I don't have a chair.
Aww. Diyan latos.
Oh yeah. The British family. Welcome, British band. And I was also to my mom, but my dad don't appreciate what I am. Sir Boy, what can you say about your host right now, right? Way back. I was inspired by the people who show themselves and I spoke to all the
Ano, mas maganda pala sa taas.
I am better being myself. I am better being
Maganda
myself.
sa taas. Sa Lexus.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. For me, I can proudly say I'm a professional game designer. I'm happy to have a relationship with them.
Very good.
It's okay, that's it, but controversial.
Controversial. Yung pinag-correct,
Hi, man.
Oh
my God. It's my passion, my interest, and I know my skills are well enhanced.
Okay, you've listened to your own opinion about your professions and your career. So, how are you accepted in your family? And how are you accepted by your friends? they noticed that you're moving quite, medyo quite na. That's how you
Okay, at first they were hurt because,
yeah, I heard in the first day.
yeah, I was experienced that. Yeah, but then gradually they just accept me of what I am because they just let me of things that I want to do and
They cannot work out.
yeah. But actually today they were so supportive to my career.
I have a question about you, Sir Jenna. Present a comedian with a host. So, how were you accepted? Like,
Family?
yes, your family and your friends and yourself.
First, they were all disappointed, right?